Whether this is your first time considering Odyssey Teams, or if you are a valued returning client partner, we're grateful for the opportunity to explore how we may add value to your teams and/or meetings. Here's a quick look at our top shelf programs that can bring your meeting themes and company values to life in a powerful, memorable, and relevant way. Each program starts with an introduction, context phase, followed by increasing the connections within the group, potentially teaming, cohesion, business simulations, and concluding with the capstone exercise and a powerful debrief. Life cycles. Thoughts and actions flip from competition to collaboration and customer centricity as youth enter to surprise the assembly teams. Helmets, locks, and a safety check are in the mix too. Board meeting. Creating a positive message with words or images on the blank canvas, aka skateboard and helmet. Early in the session, youth arrive to co-design and customize and connect with their team. Safety gear and backpack are included. Helping hands. Beginners turn 30 pieces of metal and plastic into a prosthetic hand that will change the life of a person abroad. The recipient will see the thoughtful, customized carrying case and a photo of the team that made the hand, a profound global touch. Playhouse Challenge. Build a street of dreams at your venue and have young neighbors come surprise and visit the building teams. Creativity, natural talents, and teamwork abound. Team Mosaic. Time to see how your piece of work contributes to and influences the big picture. Relax, connect, and create a piece of art to be admired by many. People leave our sessions feeling more ambitious, aligned, and with a bit of pride, humility, and gratitude too. Please reach out our way to get more details.